What's going on YouTube? My name is Gary Waller and this is Waller Life. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Beats Solo 3 series, I believe. These were sent to me by a friend. They said, hey man, I bought these. Maybe you want to unbox them. Maybe you want to give me your opinion on them, blah, blah, blah. I said, sure, why not? Not an unboxing channel, but why not unbox them anyways? It's good unboxing therapy. So we're going to get into it. Cue the intro. So my buddy said that he got these on eBay for like $125 during an auction. So relatively cheap considering the fact that these are like $200 to $300 headphones. Right out of the gate, my first impressions of these, they're a lot smaller than I thought. They might be too small for me. Just to note, there's not a way to like skip forward, I guess. There's not like a button. To be determined, I guess, if I read the instructions first. So you have your power button. You have your power button up, down for taking in calls and stuff like that. On volume, you have a aux port here, so you can put in corded stuff as we've shown. So you can have these wired. These are wireless. These do collapse, so pretty neat little headphones. I've got some other headphones that are like $25 that we'll do a compare and contrast. If you guys like what you see, make sure to leave a like on this video. So let's give them a test run. All right, very low profile. Definitely noise canceling. I almost have to yell in order to like hear myself. So definitely noise canceling. They do have like some pressure to them. So there is some slight pressure, but it's not uncomfortable, but it probably could become uncomfortable after a few hours. The buttons feel a little cheap. It's not as premium that I would recommend for $125. These feel just as clicky. Yeah, just as clicky. The headphones itself does rotate, so it does have that little bit of pivot so that way it can conform to your head and stuff like that. There is more cushion, and it is this really nice leather. Fully extended, it's a little bit longer, so for those folks that have a bigger head than mine, I have a pretty big head. But overall, like the quality feels nice. There is some cushion on the top part. So far, I like them. I want to test them out. Let's see. Okay, so right out of the gate, like the controls work with the Mac. I feel like the controls are perfect if you like cross your body, but not if you do this. It may just be because I'm a bigger guy. Definitely sounds good. Sounds really good. It's only on half the volume as far as like with my Mac, and I can't hear a single thing going on behind me or anything of that nature. It's really nice. Like, these are really good quality speakers. Like I said, I think these are better than the $25 ones that I have. But if you're just looking for a cheap set, I'll drop a link below for the $25 ones. And if you're looking for a really good quality ones, hopefully you can get as lucky as my friend and get them for 120 to 150 bucks. For me, I'm putting my stamp of approval on these headphones. So these are the Beats Solo 3 wireless. I like them. I wouldn't necessarily pay more than $150 for these, so hopefully they'll go down soon. But I really do like that they were compact and they're really, really small, and so like all of the cords fit inside of their case, as well as the headphones themselves. I like them. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have a suggestion for me of some headphones that you may think are better and possibly cheaper, put it in the comment section below. I'd love to check them out. I'm definitely in the market for some headphones, so I was glad to be able to review these and give these back to my buddy. I was very appreciative of him to allow me to unbox them and have the pleasure of opening the entire buy on camera, so that was really cool of him. I don't know if I would be wanting to buy these, but I'm going to put them in the link below of where I could find them. So I'll see you in the next one. Go be awesome.